Hi everyone, this is Wizard1 bringing you another unboxing. I was browsing Amazon the other day and I saw these Oakley split shots for $137-ish, and I was thinking to myself, wow, that's super cheap for a pair of Oakleys. Went on the Oakley website and they retail for about $270. When they go on sale, they go for about $220 or so, and I thought, wow, okay, I'll call up some friends and I'll see if I want one pair for myself and a bunch for them. Ended up buying a total of, I believe, 6 pairs here. And so I decided to just do a video on them. Okay, so this pair of split shots is model number OO9416 with the lens variant of 0864. These are the matte heather gray frames with the Prizm ruby polarized lenses. They are RX ready. They came in 3 different packages. They came from all over the States. I think one pair came from New Jersey, the other one came from Illinois, and one actually came from, I believe, Oakley, Canada as well. So, I'll just tear this one open so you can see how many you can see how many pairs there are here. Wasn't lying. 6 pairs. Alright. So, okay, some of these are pretty banged up, but they are brand new. Okay, so let's just open one of these up and see what we got. So while I'm opening these, the model number for these is OO9416-0864. So okay, we have the water-resistant hard case, manual warranty card, and that's pretty much it. So I really like these lenses. These are the Oakley Prizm polarized lenses. They help to enhance color, contrast, detail, and also reduce glare for optimized experience. These are great for bright light and high glare conditions, such as when you're out on the water or you're in golf or whatnot, you're doing some outdoor activities. This is the type of glasses you want. So these glasses are slightly different or have a slight different feature compared to most Oakley glasses. So you can see here, there's a thing dangling here. This is I guess you can call it a strap for the glasses. So, you know, if you're doing some water sports or if you're doing some outdoor stuff and that you're going to be in extreme conditions, it'll prevent your glasses from flying off your neck. Otherwise, you know, you can use this as a self-defense. It looks like it is metal here. So if you want self-defense, you want to choke someone, you can go ahead and choke someone. Not telling you should, but hey, it's something you can do. Alright, so the way this works, it is not permanently connected to the actual glasses themselves. All you need to do is just unclip it, and it comes off right away. So if you don't want the, I guess you can call this the old man look for the sunglasses, you can remove the strap from the glasses themselves. Okay, so I want to compare these a little bit. So these glasses here have a lens width of 64 millimeters with a height of 43 millimeters. The length is 132 and the overall width of the glasses is also 132. If you want to compare this to something else, so these are the Oakley Holbrook metals. So the width of the lenses is slightly bigger on these ones. The width on the Oakley Holbrooks are 55 millimeters across, and the height is about the same at 43. Right? If you want to live even more extreme comparison, you can look at here. So these are the Oakley Katos. So these can pretty much fit. These can pretty much fit within the Katos. The Katos have width of 149 millimeters because it's a full piece lens, while the height is 64 millimeters in height. Okay, let's just take that off. Okay, so really it about the glasses themselves. It has rubber bridges here, so it's these glasses are mainly fitted more for people with medium to large faces. Really good price for $137. I believe right now on Oakley's actual website they're also $137, but I don't think they'll last that long. I mean, you're getting $137 for a quality pair of Prizm polarized glasses for Oakley. So let me just put this on. I'll show you what the fitting is like. Okay, so you can see the overall fitting is pretty nice on my face. The bridge isn't too high up, so I guess you could consider these as a Asian fit. They fit pretty nice and comfortable on the nose and just above the cheekbone. So overall, that's pretty nice actually. I really like these pair of Oakleys. I'm going to add this to the collection of, I think I have like above 20 pairs of these things. I normally prefer metal, but these are actually really nice. So I will be keeping these. Okay, so for my overall impression, this is a really good value here. You know, most Oakleys don't come with a hard case, so if you want to go for traveling and whatnot, it's great. You know, if you go buy these cases, you're looking at somewhere probably around $30 to $40 for just the hard case alone. It comes with the standard bag still, but overall, you know, if you take into account the cost of the case here, you're looking at paying about $100 for a pair of polarized Oakleys, which you don't normally go for. Again, about $270 plus taxes. Alright, so that's my review of the unboxing of the Oakley split shots. Thanks for watching and have a great day.